Muskan and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you how you can make orange cream, or it's also known as vitamin C cream, easily at home. This cream is made up of all natural ingredients and it's best for anti-aging, skin whitening, skin lightening, and in removing all your dark spots, acne and blemishes easily and permanently at home in just few days. So to prepare this highly effective orange cream, you firstly gonna need orange juice, and to prepare the orange juice you firstly gonna need an orange, and then peel that orange. After peeling the orange, you have to remove the outer skin of the orange like I'm showing you in the video. And you just have to do it with only 3 to 4 orange slices. And if you don't want to do this much work, then you can also mess up your juicer for just 3 to 4 orange slices. But I'm using this method to take out the orange juice from the oranges. But it's totally your call that what method you want to choose to take out the orange juice. So now after removing the white skin and the seeds from the oranges, your end result will look like this. And now you have to blend them really nicely by using a blender and make a smooth paste out of it. And when it's nicely blended, your pulpy orange juice is ready and it will look like this. But to make the orange cream, we have to remove the pulp from the orange juice, and that's why we are straining this. And now after straining, the orange juice will be completely separated from the orange pulp. And now your orange juice is ready and it will look like this. So now let's prepare the 100% effective orange or vitamin C cream. And to prepare that, you firstly have to take 1.5 tablespoon fresh orange juice in a clean bowl. After that, we are gonna need glycerin. And we just have to add 1 tablespoon glycerin in it. And after the glycerin, you're gonna need olive oil, and you just have to add 1 teaspoon olive oil in it. And after adding all these 3 ingredients, you just need to mix them really well to make a smooth mixture. And once it's nicely mixed, now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel. And you just have to mix approx 2 tablespoon aloe vera gel in it. And after adding the aloe vera gel, just again mix everything really nicely to make a smooth, creamy, fluffy and a lump-free paste. And once all the ingredients are really nicely mixed, your homemade skin lightening and whitening and anti-aging orange cream is ready, and it will look like this. And the consistency of this cream should be medium, neither so thick and nor so runny. And it should be so much creamy and fluffy like I'm showing you in the video. So now let me tell you how to store this 100% natural and effective homemade orange cream. And the procedure to store this cream is very easy and simple. Just store this cream in any airtight container. And here I'm just transferring this cream into this small airtight container. And you can store this cream in refrigerator for up to 15 to 20 days. This cream is full of vitamin C and is full of antioxidants, nutrients and antibacterial agents, which will help to improve your skin complexion and make your skin much lighter, whiter, brighter and tighter. This homemade orange cream is best for aging skin as it completely removes your wrinkles, fine lines, sagging skin, as well as pigmentation and dark spots within few days. And it also lightens and whitens your skin complexion, making it much fairer, glowing, radiant and spotless. This cream is an excellent source of vitamin C which can do wonders for your skin. The antioxidants present in this cream fight against free radicals and thus prevents aging faster. This cream is best treatment for dark spots and blemishes as it has all the antioxidants and antibacterial agents which completely vanishes your dark spots, acne scars and pigmentation easily at home. Oranges are the natural bleaching agent that can lighten your dark and uneven skin complexion and make your skin more lighter, whiter, brighter and tighter within few uses of this homemade cream. It also helps in reducing your suntan by deflecting harmful UV rays from attacking skin cells and makes your skin more healthy and glowing. As I said earlier that orange contains a huge amount of vitamin C and antioxidants which maintains the oils of the skin, which makes this cream suitable for both oily and the dry skin. This cream can make your skin more refreshing, glowing, radiant and healthy and gives you a much fairer, glowing, radiant, spotless and a clear skin. So now let me tell you the procedure to use this cream to get effective results within few days. So the method to use this cream is very easy and simple. You just need to take a little amount of this cream and then apply it all over your skin and then massage it in circular motions for about 30 to 45 seconds. Just gently massage this cream all over your skin so that your skin completely absorbs this cream and gives you a radiant, glowing and a youthful effect. And after applying this cream, just leave it overnight. And for the best results, you have to use this cream twice in a day, once in the morning and the other before going to bed, for at least 3 to 5 days to get best and effective results on your skin. And after using this cream for at least 3 to 5 days, you will notice that your skin have become more fairer, glowing, youthful, radiant and glowing. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And I will see you next time. Bye bye. Take care.